In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move the anchor point in Adobe After Effects. The anchor point is the little target icon that defines where your layer scales, rotates, and positions from. If your animation looks off or something is rotating from a strange place, it's usually because the anchor point isn't where you want it. So in this video, I'll walk you through a few simple ways to move and control it. First, make sure your project is open in After Effects and you're inside the main composition or the specific comp you want to work in. Click on the layer whose anchor point you want to adjust. This could be text, a shape layer, or any other element in your timeline. The main method for moving the anchor point is by using the Pan Behind or Anchor Point tool. With your layer selected, press the Y key on your keyboard. You'll see your cursor change to indicate the Pan Behind tool is active. Now, in the Composition panel, click directly on the anchor point and drag it to where you want it. For example, you might drag it to the bottom of some text if you want it to scale up from the baseline, or to a corner if you want it to rotate around that edge. As you drag, you'll notice the layer visually moves in the comp, but what's actually changing is the anchor point's position relative to the layer. If you want the anchor point perfectly centered inside the layer, you don't have to eyeball it. With the layer still selected, go to the top menu and choose Layer, then Transform, then Center Anchor Point in Layer Content. After Effects will automatically drop the anchor point right in the middle of your layer's visible contents. This is especially useful for logos, icons, or text where you want clean, symmetrical animations. Sometimes you need very precise control, especially for motion graphics or technical layouts. In that case, you can edit the anchor point values directly. Select your layer, then press the A key on your keyboard to reveal the anchor point property in the timeline. You'll see two values, one for the horizontal or X position and one for the vertical or Y position. You can click and drag on these numbers to adjust them, or type in exact values if you know the coordinates you want. This gives you pixel-perfect placement without guessing. And that's it. You've learned how to move the anchor point with the Pan Behind tool, how to center it automatically, and how to fine-tune it using precise numeric values.